Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Sunday setup. So what's on the menu for this week is some aren't these pretty? I'm gonna make some stuffed peppers. I actually do not have a specific recipe for this. I have followed a few of them on YouTube and kind of just tweaked it and did my own thing. So if you're interested in seeing how my recipe come out for my stuffed peppers, stay tuned. Actually gonna maybe shrink up a little bit. So I'm gonna put these in the oven for about 20 minutes. Show you my little concoction that I'm gonna put as the stuffing. I'm gonna put like a medium-high heat on, a little bit of olive oil. So we have the usual avocado oil, just to keep things from sticking. Okay, so basically I'm making another pot of quinoa. Oh, let me turn my book off. I'm listening to a book while I'm cooking. So basically I decided to go ahead and just cook some fresh quinoa. Okay, so while I'm waiting on the new pot of quinoa to cook, and I have a red saucer on this because my handle is broke. Anywho, I have my eggs for the week over here. I'm boiling those. And if you follow me for any time, you know that boiled eggs is something that I eat pretty much every day. I have 2 boiled eggs and some guac for breakfast pretty much every day. And sometimes I have an apple and some either peanut butter or chocolate hummus. That is pretty much a typical breakfast for me. And boiling the eggs on Sundays is how I prep for the week for that. And also I have some snacks throughout the day. And I'm gonna come back and show you how I mix up my trail mix. Okay, so here we go again. I'm going to put my quinoa in the pan, and this is just the yellow. I forgot to put the oil in. How dare! All right, so I'm heating up the pan and a little bit of quinoa here. Man. So I'm actually going to allow that to just sit and simmer for about maybe 3 minutes or so. Then I'm going to do a taste test. Okay, so now I'm just going to taste it. It's been simmering for a little bit, so I'm gonna taste it and see if I like it. It's good. It's okay. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning to it. I can always just use a little bit more salt and pepper. I think the salt will wake it up a little bit more. I think I can put a little bit more onion. I can tell definitely it is missing the sauteed garlic and onions. You really can't replace that. So here's the peppers. And what I'm gonna do is just take this and stuff them. They've been out for a while, so they're kind of cool. This is a little sloppy, y'all, but hey, this is what it is. So after I stuff all of these, I'm gonna put them back in the oven and let them cook for about another maybe 10 or 15 minutes. And then we will be done. I'm not quite sure what my side is gonna go with this, but once I decide, I'll let you know. So the eggs are done, halfway done with this, and then when I come back, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my trail mix, which is my snack for the week. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what they are looking like. They look pretty. So in the oven they go. All right, now it's time to just put these in the containers for the week. Let me show you guys my containers. These are 2 compartment glass containers that I got from, that I ordered from Amazon about 3 years ago. They come in sets of 5. I dropped my lunch bag one day and broke one. But anywho, I only work 4 days a week. I'm off on Wednesdays. So this will be my lunch for the week, and I'm still not exactly sure what I want to have as a side with them. I probably more than likely will just have some carrots and hummus. So anywho, we're putting these together. And like I said before, I have all my boiled, got my boiled eggs ready for the week. There you go. So that is it. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Tell me, what are you having for your lunch next week? How do you prep for the week? What works for you? I would love to know. If you would share it with me down in the comments, that would be great. All right, take care and have a great week. Bye-bye. Hey, I almost forgot that I told you guys I was going to show you how I do my trail mix. It's pretty simple. I just use some mixed nuts, which is cashew, almonds, and pistachios in this package. I get an extra package of cashews, some dried cherries, and some dried cranberries. And sometimes I put dried apples in here. But on the cherries, cranberries, and apples, I go very, very lightly because that's added carbs and sugars that I do not want. And what I go for is just a more high protein snack. So what I do basically is just mix all of this up. I put it in this large bowl here, and I have a few cups like this that I just put into my lunch bag so that I can have a nutritious snack to grab when I get hungry. So again, if you're gonna do this, if you want to add some sweetness, just to make it a little bit more enjoyable, make sure you go very lightly. Say like with these dried cherries, there are, oh my, I don't think I'm gonna put this in here at all, actually. Ooh. 30 grams of sugar, 13 grams of added sugar. I honestly thought that these were just dried tart cherries. I did not know that they added sugars with these. We have to be so careful with everything. Everything has added sugar. When things were dried, I just thought they were dried. Let me look at this. Oh my God. This includes 24 grams of added sugar. Okay. So, needless to say, I will not be adding the cranberries or cherries into this trail mix. So basically, my snacks are going to be some mixed nuts. And you know, there's one other thing I put in here sometimes too. Hold on, I'll be right back. Chickpeas, dried chickpeas. Now this, this only has 1 gram of added sugar. But you gotta be careful with these two. There's 18 grams of carbs, but 5 grams of fiber. So it's like a 13 net carbs, and that is in 1/4 of a cup. So I'm going to just, there's only a little bit left in here. This has like this Bombay spice flavor, and I kind of like that. So just to have a mixture, I'm going to add it all together, so just to have like a unique taste or flavor. So that's basically it for the snack, for the trail mix snack. So if you guys have any other ideas, things that you can do to make sure your snacks are healthy and enjoyable, because I'm gonna say, just for me, I need for my snacks to be enjoyable as well as healthy. So I just put all 3 of those in here. Excuse the noise, y'all. Just gonna show it together. And here's what it looks like. Like I said, I have a few of these cups. I'm just gonna have, usually I can make about, I don't know, about 5 or 6 of these. And I'll have 1 a day. And sometimes I don't even eat the whole thing at one sitting. I just grab a few and just snack on it, you know, throughout the workday. So anyway, I forgot to add this little piece in. So anyway, have a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.